मेरे प्यारे पाकिस्तानियों, इमरान खान के डंके अमेरिका में भी बज रहे हैं और हमारे हरामखोर जर्नैल और आदमखोर जजों के भी।
Pakistan, which has an election on February 8th, grassroots members of the PTI, which is the kind of the biggest kind of party, opposition party in Pakistan, are just being arrested en masse when they sign up just to run for like lower level offices. And the opposition party leader, former Prime Minister Imran Khan, earlier this week was sentenced to 10 years in a totally bogus case around the alleged mishandling of a classified document that we actually published over The Intercept. He was not our source. He had nothing to do with it. They never proved he did. It was complete kangaroo nonsense. And then today they sentenced him to an additional 14 years for another completely ridiculous case. This one is like a state gifts case. So for background